So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Right here is your model and serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and hit the register button. Give them the serial number and all your contact info to get the warranty going on this. Up top you can see, I'm not going to get back up there right now, but we give you a brand new shutoff valve, that cold water. It's a Watts 3/4 inch full port ball valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, to replace the old one. Then a brass nipple in between, and an often stainless steel connectors on both sides. Those are a full 3/4 inch inside diameter, largest in the industry. So both sides get that, and then relief valve comes with the unit right here. And then another connector down to your copper discharge line. This line probably goes down underneath the platform and then out the side wall. Adjustable straps on the third. These are brand new. You had a set on there, but we can't warrant old products, so it's just part of the price. So upper third has a strap, lower third has a strap, and then of course brand new gas shutoff valve, brand new gas connector, and then the controller. Right now you're at hot, which is 120. You can read here, scalding risk increases with hotter water, so we do recommend 120 for all homes. If you have all adults and you'd like to get some more water out of this tank, you can turn it up to 140, which is recommended by the CDC. But at that temperature, 30-degree burns in 3 seconds. Or if you're infant or elderly, 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So just be mindful of that. We leave it here for liability purposes, so approximately 120. If you feel like you're not getting enough hot water, you can certainly turn up to A130, B140. So right now the burner is lit. You have water in about an hour, 2 hours. Outside of that, this installation is done.